Hello beautifuls, it's Kivu Trends, providing you with trending product reviews and beauty tutorials. In today's video, I'll be trying out these Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick. I'm so glad I got that, such a long title. I will be doing swatches from 5 different shades and I'm going to share with you my review. I'm also going to be doing a full day's wear test to see if these are truly long lasting. So in 2017 and 2016, we were all about the mattes, but in 2018, we are bringing back the high shine. We are bringing back the lip glosses, so I thought what better way to start my lip gloss collection than with the Too Faced lipsticks. Look at how adorable this packaging is. And if you're anything like me, you are a sucker for packaging. I seriously want to buy like all of the Too Faced products. I think it's like the Peaches line or something like that. But if I legitimately could afford it, I would just buy all of them, even if they worked or not, just so that I could have like all of the products displayed on my vanity. I'm really hoping that these lip glosses work well for me, because if they do, I don't know, I might just end up getting all of them. These lipsticks came out in June 2017 and retail for $21. However, I got mine for $10 on sale, and I believe they offer many sales throughout the year. The packaging is similar to the Melted Matte Liquefied Lipsticks, which has 23 matte shades. However, the Melted Latex lipsticks come in 16 shades and have a glossy shine and honey-like texture. This is what makes them look and feel like actual latex. And it seriously looks like latex on the lips. It's crazy. It's formulated without gluten and parabens. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And it has a doe foot applicator, making it extra comfortable for the lips. The colors should be intense, buildable, and last for hours. And some claim this gloss to be too sticky and thick, so we'll definitely check for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trending product reviews. And without further ado, let's get into the swatches. I will be able to blot this. Ooh, that is super sticky. I want to see if I can make it a little more matte. It kind of looks like a stain a little bit. Your lips are still a little sticky, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking that. Another thing I noticed is that these will also work to put in the inner lip area to kind of create that ombre effect. So now I'm gonna go and do a full day's wear test with this lip color. I'm kind of a little nervous because it's such a dramatic color that I left off. I should have tried the brown. I'm just not very comfortable like having really dramatic makeup out in public, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna go ahead and reapply this on my lips and let you guys know how long it wears up. As you can tell, it's definitely gonna transfer on anything I drink or anything I eat, but I want to see how it'll last even after that. So it is the end of the night, and as you can see, it is definitely not long lasting. In fact, I think I could see, even as I was doing the swatches and blotting it with tissue paper, that it's not going to be long lasting. It transferred very easily onto a sheet of paper, or if I'm sipping out of a cup. It even was getting on my nails as I was eating. And I personally wouldn't mind that, but it's kind of discouraging because they do mention that on their website that it is long lasting. Now the texture, I did feel it on my lips throughout the day, so that is something I noticed with this lip gloss, but again, that's not something I really like really bothered me. Overall, I feel that this lip gloss is just a fun lip gloss to wear to a really lively event, something that's like anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, and you have the opportunity to go into your bag and retouch. It really does have this latex look to it, which I find very unique in a lip gloss. It's not just like shine. If they continue to have it on sale or make it anywhere from $10 to $15, I definitely would repurchase these because they're fun, and I really love how pigmented these colors are. Like, it is just such a vibrant color. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with these colors. So again, the website claims that it will be intense, buildable, and long lasting. Now in terms of buildable, I did do a couple coats at most. I didn't really do any more coats than that because it will get too goopy. So I don't really know why they say that it's buildable. And some of the shades, like I think it was a purple shade, I had to go in with a second coat because the first coat was very, very thin. Because of that, I did have to go in with a second coat. But for some of them, I really didn't need to do more than 2 coats. So I wouldn't necessarily consider it buildable. Because it's not something where you keep building and then you get a deeper or better pigmentation or anything like that. It really just starts getting goopy and more sticky. It seems like you could really play around with these lipsticks, or even apply like a matte lipstick or a lip stain underneath and then apply this over. That would really be really fun because as you can see on my lips right now, it does fade and it just kind of fades off into the side, so it kind of looks like I'm wearing a little bit of a lip liner, which I really don't mind. I've been able to just blend it into my lips to make it look like I have a bit of a lip stain, but it is something where you are gonna have to have the product with you in order to retouch up. Otherwise, your lips might look a little funny. Another note is that it did get a little bit on my teeth, so you'll want to make sure that you do the whole finger test so that doesn't happen. Overall, I'm liking the gloss, just what it claims to do. I don't necessarily think it claims to do that. So I just showed you guys 5 different shades of the Too Faced Melted Latex. The Too Faced lipsticks. So let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite shade? Are you guys into the whole glossy feel? Are you still feeling the mattes? I'd love to know what you guys think, so feel free to let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you will get notified of when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!